Hello, welcome to my channel. It's great to have you here. If you're watching me for the first time, please like, subscribe and share my videos, because here we talk about Yoruba. We just want to talk about the language, the culture, what the proverbs are about, and we try to let people who don't really know about the language learn a little bit about it, and then we try to teach in a little bit too. Maybe you are abroad or you have children abroad who don't really speak the language. If you let them watch the videos, they might pick one or two things from here and then learn to be able to communicate and also know about the Yoruba culture, the Yoruba people, how they do what they do, and their perspective on generally most issues that affect human beings, as in wherever we are, whatever we do. We try to make it in such a way that people don't forget home. They remember where they are coming from, where their roots are from, where they are actually from. So because some people travel far and then it's so difficult for them to just relate with people back home, or they get married and they marry sometimes they marry foreigners, and then the children are totally lost. They can't really mix with the people in the foreign land, and they are also like aliens in their own home country. So this is a channel for them to learn a little bit about the language, learn about the people, learn about the culture, and then teach them little bits of the African Yoruba culture. So today I'm talking about greetings again. Yeah, I've started greetings before, but today I want to go a little bit deeper again. I want to go because it's such a wide subject. Yorubas love to greet. We are very warm people. We love to greet. We love people to be always comfortable. If you're sitting down, they greet you for sitting down. If you're standing up, they greet you for standing up. Like if I want to say, if I see somebody who has been sitting down for a long time and I don't want the person to feel bad that she has been sitting for a long time, then I can easily say "Eku ijoko," which means I'm greeting you for sitting down for some time now. I'm still greeting you. I'm just greeting you. It's just like that. Like you have been sitting down for some time and I don't want you to be bored, or I just want to talk to you. I want to keep the communication going so that you don't feel as if I'm neglecting you. Or if you have been standing for some time and maybe I think, oh, maybe your leg may be hurting you, or I just want to greet you, I want to say hello, to talk to you, I just be like "Eku duro, Eku iduro." So it's just a way of greeting people. And then when things happen, when special events happen, of course we have special ways of greeting. Like the English, all they do is, okay, actually in English language, if somebody has something good comes their way, you say congratulations. That's it. And if somebody has something that is not so good, you either say sorry about that, or you say if somebody dies, you give your condolences. But in the Yoruba setting, almost every occurrence has a particular greeting. And for that, if somebody has a baby, you say "Eku ewu omo." Eku ewu omo means congratulations on passing through the risk of having a child. If somebody builds a house, they will say "Eku ishile." Eku ishile. Eku ishile means congratulations on the housewarming. Congratulations on the completion of your house. If somebody graduates from school, or maybe somebody's child graduates from school, they say "Eku orire." Eku orire means congratulations for the good thing that has happened to you. Eku orire can now be applied in so many other things. Anything good that comes your way is believed to be a good fortune smiling on you. So you can easily just say "Eku orire." If somebody has a child, it is orire, so you can say "Eku orire." If somebody builds a house, if somebody gets married, it's also "Eku orire." But when somebody now gets married again, there are some other little or other forms of greeting that you can give to them. Like if it is the groom's family or the bride's family that you're talking to, you can say "Ẹ̀yin ìyàwó ni many." "Ẹ̀yin ìyàwó ni many" means that the bride will not be barren. Because literally it means the bride will not sleep on the mat or on the bed for too long. But what they're actually insinuating is that when you are pregnant, when you get married and you get pregnant immediately, when the complication, when the stress of getting pregnant comes in, you now start having discomfort sleeping because of the protruding tummy, so you can't really sleep on your back. You can't really enjoy the sleep. So they pray that within a short while you will experience such symptoms, so that you too will be a mother, or their family, that young family will have their own child. So that's what when they are talking about ìyàwó ni many, that is what it means. It's just a way of saying good stuffs will happen to you, that very soon you'll have your own children. So also, when somebody that is maybe the groom or the father of the groom is being greeted too, they can tell them ẹ kú oríire. But after telling them ẹ kú oríire, they will also say ẹ̀yin ìyàwó ni many, or they can now say èrè á pọ̀ ńbẹ̀. That means good things will come out of this union. Good things will come out of this union. Èrè á pọ̀ níbẹ̀ o. Yeah, that is another thing. Then if it is the bride that they are greeting, they can tell her that ibẹ̀ á gbà ẹ́ o. Ibẹ̀ á gbà ẹ́ means the place will be suitable for you, because you're going to a new place, you're going to a new family. They are praying for you that you will find comfort there, that the place will be home for you, that the place will be conducive for you, that everything you do there would just work out fine for you. So they just pray that the place will be comfortable for you. So that is what greeting a bride is all about. And now when somebody is having you just finished school, or you just graduated from a vocational place, they can tell you ẹ kú oríire again, which means congratulations on your success. And then they now tell you iṣẹ́ ire ni wàá fi ṣe o. That means you will do something good with whatever certificate you have gotten, or whatever knowledge you have gotten, you will get something good out of it. So that is what that particular statement means. So I'm going to stop here today, and I'll continue during the week. So when I post another video, for you to get a notification, please click on the subscribe button, so that once the video drops, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and also tell other people to subscribe too. Thank you for watching. Enjoy yourself. Take care of you.